Z-tests assume that you know the population mean and standard deviation, and as we know, this is rarely the case. When we don't know these parameters, we use a t-test. The t-test is based on students' t-distribution. Whereas a normal distribution describes a full population, t-distributions describe samples drawn from a full population. Accordingly, the t-distribution for each sample size is different, but the larger the sample, the more the distribution resembles a normal distribution. Because the curve changes based on sample size, when you find the probability of a given t-value, you need not only the alpha or significance level, but the sample size as well. However, it's not quite as simple as that. The t-distribution is based on samples, so we have to actually find the t-value for n-1 rather than just n. This is known as degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is the number of values in the final calculation of a statistic that are free to vary and still end up with the same value. For example, to get the same mean, we can vary all elements except one. If we can control that one element, we can always end up with the mean that we started with. This concept is applied to all statistical calculations based on samples.